In this example, we'll be using the z-score formula once again, but this time we'll be given the z-score and have to calculate another value. So take a moment to read through the word problem and pause the video now. Having read through the word problem, we see that this time we're asked for the student's score on an exam rather than finding their z-score. We still need to use the z-score formula, which involves taking the data point that we need, subtracting the average, and dividing that by the standard deviation. In this particular problem, we're given the z-score, that's 0.8. We're given the average, which is 62, and we're given the standard deviation, which was 11. But we need to know what Mark's score was. So let's plug in the data we know. We know that Z was 0.8. Mark's score is what we're looking for. We had a mu value of 62, which was the mean. We have a standard deviation of 11. If I want to solve that for x, the first thing I would need to do is either cross multiply or multiply both sides by my denominator, which is 11. If I multiply 0.8 by 11, I get a value of 8.8. So now that leaves me with x minus 62, because these two values would have cancelled. To find Mark's score, I'll then need to add 62 to both sides, giving me a value of 70.8 on the left hand side, and that's equal to x. So again, these two will cancel. So Mark's score on the exam was 70.8, which was most likely rounded to 71%.